Ever opened your fridge only to be greeted by a funky smell? Don't worry, we've got you covered with some fantastic natural odor removers. First up, baking soda. This household staple absorbs unwanted scents like a champ. Simply open a box, place it on a shelf, and let it work its magic. Next, coffee grounds. Not just for your morning brew, coffee grounds can also neutralize odors. Just place some in a bowl in your fridge. Lastly, vanilla extract. Dab some on a cotton ball, pop it in a bowl, and voila! Your fridge will smell like a bakery in no time. These are just a few of our favorite kitchen hacks. Got one of your own? Drop a comment below and share your wisdom with the community. Remember, a fresh fridge is a happy fridge.